Hello again. Today's session is devoted to technical suffixes in English. The goal of this session is to provide an overview of technical suffixes in English and understand how they work. So first, we will define what suffixes are. Afterwards, we will go through the different types of suffixes. And finally, I will provide you with some conclusions and recommendations. So, let's start. What are suffixes? We can form new words by using suffixes. These convey an attachment after the end of an existing word. Let's see the example here. We have the base word digit, which we add all, suffix all, to create a new word, which is digital. In this case, an adjective. Suffixes usually change meaning of the word, and they can tell you if a word is a noun or an adjective, a verb or an adverb. Let's see the example. Digit is a noun. When we add the suffix al, al, we get the adjective. Some common suffixes for jobs are er, as in the examples manufacturer, trainer, double er, as in engineer, or for animator, ant, as in consultant or assistant, ian for technician and electrician, and ist, typist or scientist. All these suffixes have the meaning of person who. So you need to add this meaning to the base word meaning to understand the final word. Here I'm presenting you a chart with the most common suffixes in IT. Let's have a look. First, we have suffixes making nouns. These are ion, ment, x, and it. All these suffixes mean activity or state, as in the examples compression, management, robotics, and electricity. Second, we have suffixes building adjectives. These suffixes are able, full, and less. These can mean able to be, full of. In the case of less, the meaning is without. And the examples I'm providing here is programmable, convertible, colorful, or colorless. Finally, there is a category of suffixes that build verbs. These suffixes are eyes or eyes. Note the two spellings. And these mean to make. And the examples are synthesize or virtualize. It is very useful to know how to build up word families by adding suffixes. Look at the following examples. From the nouns magnet or magnetism, we can get the verb magnetize. And from the adjective magnetic, we get the adverb magnetically. This is a family word. Sorry, a word family. From the nouns recorded and recording, we get record. The corresponding adjectives are recordable and recorded. From digitizer, we have the verb digitize, suffix "-ize", and then adjectives digital and digitized. The adverb is digitally. Please note that adding a suffix may change the pronunciation, so always have a look at the stress in these words. Photograph, photographer, photographic, photographically. So the stress varies depending on the category of the word. The suffix "ware" is commonly used to form nouns denoting collectively items made from a particular substance. For example, glassware. This suffix is used in IT to form nouns denoting collectively items for a particular use or designed for a specific purpose. Let's have a look at the examples. Software and hardware, these are programs executed by a computer or physical devices in which programs run. Malware is designed to infiltrate or damage a computer, for example, viruses, trojans, etc. In spyware, the suffix ware means designed to monitor the actions of your computer and send this data via the net. But it is important that you do not confuse where with where, which is used for types of clothing, and this suffix where has the same or similar pronunciation. So finally, we can say that a suffix is a lexical unit attached after a base word. Understanding unknown words in English is easier if you know how words in English are formed. Thus, if we learn the function and the meaning of suffixes, we will be able to guess the meaning of new words that we come across, as well as create new ones. However, some suffixes may have different meanings, so always consult a dictionary in case you have doubts. And that's all for today. Thank you, and bye-bye.